Hello world, welcome to Python Things, and I'm starting a new course on Python basics. Uh, Basically, it will cover these topics: operators, logical and arithmetic operators, variables, data types, strings, lists, dictionaries, tuples, sets, conditions if, elif, and else, loops, for loop and while loop, list comprehensions, dictionary comprehensions, functions, lambda, map and filter functions, oops, exception handlings, decorators, generators, advanced Python modules, files and regular expressions. These are the topics will be covered in this course, and if anyone wants any other topics to include in this course, then please comment. I will try to include that also. So why Python? Normally, people nowadays won't ask this question why Python. They already know what is the use of Python and why it is booming in the current system. So, first thing, easy syntax. Syntax is so easy, so anyone can easily learn it and use it, whether he is from computer science background or not, whether he is from technical background or not. Second thing, open source. What is the meaning of open source? Open source means it doesn't mean that it is free. Open source means that if you want to add your code into the Python library, or you want to create a library for Python, you can easily create it and push it into the Python repositories, and their community will accept the code if they like it. Large community. Python has the largest community right now. It means you will get the answers of your questions or the problem. If you face any problem at the time of coding, you will get multiple solutions in the Google or Stack Overflow, GitHubs. And last, bulk of libraries. There are so many libraries are there in the world which is made on Python and which is really useful. Some of are like for AI we use TensorFlow and OpenCV and like this. For data analysis we use Pandas, NumPy and others. And one more is multiple use case where we can use the Python. We can use in web development, we can use in annotation, we can use in desktop application, we can use in AI, data analysis and so on. So who can take this course? This course is for everyone who are interested in coding. It doesn't matter he is from mechanical background, he is from computer science background, he is college graduate, he is from completely non-technical background, means BA, MA. This is for everyone. So sometimes people ask why can I learn the coding? I said why? Why not? Anyone can learn the coding. It's so simple and it's just you have interest in that. If you have interest in coding, you will easily learn it. Thank you, and I will meet you in the next session from the coding. And it this course will cover more practical than theory. So yeah, thank you so much.